Good morning and welcome back to the Unloved channel. So today's the day of the Unity show, so we're going to start. It's quite early at the moment, been up for a while, but it's time to go get the FTO clean before we go out and then go meet up with James and then drive out there. Right, car's clean, we're ready to go, we've got keys, we're pretty much on time, we just need to grab some fuel. I spoke to a few of you about these sweatshirts instead of hoodies, and this is one of the ones that are going to be coming out real soon. So keep an eye on the channel, keep an eye on the website, and let's get on the road. Right then, so we're now in the car, fueled up, on the road, and if you can see him, James is behind us in the police car that obviously, if you saw, we built. And if you've been, unless you've lived under a rock for the past few days, we'll tell you anyway that this is the FTO that you can win. Tickets are just £5. There's a link to the tickets on our website in the description below. Other than that, let's get on the road, let's get going, and let's get in there. Alright, so we're here, we've been here for a little while, had a little walk around, and there's some pretty cool stuff here. We've even got another FTO to show you as well. So I'll take you for a walk around and let you see some stuff.
And that was that, capture the best I could. So that's where I'm going to leave this video. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in the next one.